So in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create an account and make an investment and start staking EVULUS tokens to make some profit. Now, please note this is not financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion, and I strongly recommend that you carry out your own due diligence before making any form of investment. So following the link, you'll be taken to this page, but I just want to quickly show you on the home page. So here you've got everything about the company. You've got your white papers. Again, I encourage you to read through all of this, make sure you're comfortable with it, and carry out your own due diligence. They've also got the socials on the bottom there, the information about the token. So I'll show you just how you can purchase tokens in a moment via PancakeSwap, but if you just scroll down, it gives you again all the information of what the company are about with the token. And here you've got your BSC scan and audit, so you can have a look at the smart contract. So again, jump onto the smart contract, just read through it and carry out your own due diligence. And for the staking, again, you've got your information there. When you come to the academy, just slip it to English again, and then you've got all your information on that page there. So what I'm going to do is just head back to the home, and then I'm going to create an account and sign in. So once you've created your account and signed in, the first thing we want to do is to start getting some tokens. And as you can see here, the EVU token is listed on a few well-known exchanges. So if you're not on any exchanges, you would need to go to one of those exchanges. And me personally, I would suggest PancakeSwap, but some of you may have your own opinion on that. And I'm just going to go to PancakeSwap and show you via PancakeSwap. So here we are on PancakeSwap. Now, firstly, if you don't have one, you will need to set up a MetaMask wallet. Now, if you don't know how to do that, there will be a link in the description to set up a MetaMask wallet, and it is all free. And you'll need to connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Now, once you've connected your wallet, then what we now need to do is make sure you have funds in your wallet. And depending on what funds you have in your wallet, whether it's USD or BNB or BUSD, I personally have BNB in my wallet. So what I'm going to do is convert some of my BNB into the EVU token. And all I'm going to do is from here, just select on the BNB, and then I want to swap my BNB for EVU token, and there we go. It is listed on PancakeSwap. And then we're just going to enter the amount of BNB, and then you're just going to swap your tokens for the EVU. So as you can see, I've made a small investment on the EVU token. Now we need to get those tokens into our EVULUS account. So to do that, we need to head back over to our dashboard and select the deposit. And you've got different methods here, but because we're using the MetaMask, you can, of course, as it's saying there, deposit with crypto or a credit card. But we're just going to use our tokens, which is purchased from PancakeSwap, and select on the EVU button here and enter the amount. So the amount that you've got in your MetaMask wallet. So in our case, it's just 248. And then you'll come up with the wallet address you need to send it to. So once you've done that, or you can scan it. So once you've copied the address, head back over to your MetaMask, go down to your EVU token, and then we need to just click send and put the address in. And then once you're all happy, just put the full amount in. So I'm just going to put the max. And then next. just scroll down, it gives you the confirmation, and then we just need to confirm it, and then that is it. So that is the funds now being sent to your dashboard in EVULUS account. And just head back over to your dashboard, and then we're just waiting for the tokens to arrive. Depending on the block speed of the blockchain, it will vary on the time for your tokens to hit your dashboard. Now, once your tokens hit your dashboard, and as you can see here, mine has been a few weeks since I actually came back to my account. But once your tokens hit your dashboard, we then need to stake them to start earning your rewards. Now, as you can see there, I've already made 8 rewards by staking my small amount there. Now, I will be making a larger investment in the future. So to stake your tokens, what you need to do is just click stake, and where it says balance, your actual balance will show in there. And then what we need to do is I would select maximum, so whatever amount of tokens you've got in there, select the max, and then all you need to do is just click on stake, and it'll start staking for you. Now, there's my staking history there. So there was my original investment there, just only of $20, and within a week or so, I have earned 8 tokens as a reward. And then all you would do, it's every 7 days you would just come back to your account, your balance would show your rewards there. Again, just all you would do is just simply click the amount that you want to stake, and then just restake, and that is it. So if you have any questions, then please feel free to reach out to me.